Hello everyone, this video is all about private notes in Odoo apps. So private note module user helps user to add private and internal notes to the project, task, help desk, sale, purchase and other modules that will support chatter for personal use only. Each note is only visible to the user who created it and cannot be viewed by any other. This functionality helps user to track specific details that need to be remembered without cluttering or shared logs or reminders. It ensures that sensitive or personal information stays private and while still providing a convenient way to keep important notes attached to the relevant task or records. So let's see how this module will work. So first of all, we go into the sales. Let me check internal notes for the sales. I will go into the any sale order, and here you can see we have already created one. And if we want to create new, let's go to any other sale order, and here you can see private notes we can add over here. We can minimize the note and we can cancel out the note, and also we have drag out option over here. Let's suppose if I add anything like need to check sale order is delivered or not, and by this like node is added, and we can see it like if I go into again say out of sales module and again I go into the same, and here you can see note is already there. Like it will remind us what are the next step we want to do, and if you want to copy this code you can directly click on this button over here and the message will pop up the text copy to the clipboard, and you can directly just copy paste to any other node also if you want to add. Like here we will do, and here is as we have pasted, and this is how it will work in the sale, and same it will work for the invoice also. Let's go into the customer invoice. Here you can see I already created one. Same if you want to add previous one over here, you can just copy paste over there and it will be pasted over here, and you can add any note as per your convenience. Same this module will work for help desk, purchase, invoice, and everywhere. Like if I want to check and help desk, let's go into the ticket. I go into any ticket, and here you can see I have option to add note, and I can add any note over here, and it will be added automatically from here, saved automatically, and we can copy from here, minimize and cross out. And if you want to maximize it, we can click on this button. It will show the pop private note section over here, and this note is not visible by any other employee. It's only visible by the person who has added the note. Let's suppose I want to add any note in the marks sales order. Let's suppose I go into the sale order 14 over here, and which is marks sale order, and here I will add this note. And as you can see, its salesperson is Mark, and right now we have added note from the Michelle. And now if I add from login with the Mark, so now we have logged in as a Mark, and here you can see our sale order is SO14, and here you can see Mark is not able to see the note, private note, which is added by Michelle. So this is how this module will work. If you have any doubt regarding this model, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.